welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing Mama's crafts. Most of these crafts I've thought of, but I thought of the idea to switch it up because she's always doing crafts, and I will be giving you guys a tutorial of 4 different crafts. So let's jump into this. And before we start this video, make sure that you hit the notification button, subscribe, and follow all our social medias. Also hit the like button. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other recommendations or video ideas, let us know in the comments down below. And see you guys next time, guys. Bye.